6, some people in Clark County are being asked to give up their day jobs for as long as a year for jury duty. Here are some of the emails that we've received. One viewer says, quote, "I'm the sole breadwinner in my family and bust my butt every day to make sure I can provide. I cannot miss a single day of work. So what can they do?" Contact 13 investigative reporter Stephanie Zeppelin talked with one of the people in charge of figuring that out.
It's the letter most people dread, a call for jury duty. But a set of letters came last week for something even tougher, jury duty for a trial that could last 12 months.
Oh my gosh, that would just be terrible.
I don't think I'll be willing to accept giving up my job for a year for jury duty. Absolutely not.
Judge Jennifer Togliatti is in the 8th Judicial District, the same district where the potential 12-month trial is happening. She says the judge and attorneys decide who will have to serve.
The judge will have to consider each and every person's hardship if they have one and compare that to everyone else's hardship in making determinations as to who might be excused.
She admits that serving on a year-long jury is a big commitment.
It is a lot to ask. It's a lot to ask. And, you know, the parties understand that.
If you're the sole caregiver for a sick family member or have a disability, they will consider relieving you from being on the jury. But other issues the court will try to work around, like when one juror told Judge Togliatti he was allergic to wool. In that case, the judge ordered everyone to wear something other than wool to court.
You have people with real hardships, not just trying to get out of it, but, you know, telling you what their circumstances are. And sometimes the court can work within those circumstances and plan the trial to accommodate certain needs of jurors. And when we can do that, we do.
If you don't show up, you can be held in contempt of court and face a fine. But in the case of your job, it's against the law to be fired for jury duty. Your workplace is required to hold your position, but pay is not guaranteed. Stephanie Zeppelin, 13 Action News.